Hey creators, today we're diving into PixVerse App, an AI-powered video generator that turns your ideas into stunning videos fast. So PixVerse uses artificial intelligence to help you generate short videos from text prompts or images. So guys, in order to generate your images, it's very simple. As you can see, you can either do it from here. As you can see in the bottom, we have this a field to insert your prompts and then get, of course, your desired videos or photos. So if you want to use this one, it's, I would say, more comfortable. As you can see, we have a panel where you can use a different modes, as you can see, create count and stuff like that. Then we have our duration. We can change it, for example, to 8 seconds. And guys, also make sure to understand that if you're using the free version, the higher resolutions, as you can see, will not be available to you. So let us actually open this up. I'm going to press on try now. No, it doesn't work for some reason. Okay. Oh, generate video. There you go. So as you can see, the first setting is the model. You can choose the model that you wish to use. As you can see, it's a new one. Then the duration, resolution, just like I said, only 360 is available in the free plan. With the subscription, you unlock everything else. Also, as you can see, we have a ratio that you can change. If you want to create videos for a PC or laptop, you use this one, 16:9. If you want to use a phone, that's your aspect ratio right here on the very right. You can also use your camera. What else do we have? Also, of course, choose the style that you wish. For example, you can use the cyberpunk or comic, whatever you desire. The motion type, standard or smooth. And as you can see how many you wish to create, this will basically ensure that you create multiple variations of one video with the same prompt. So when you're ready, just type in the content that you wish to create. For example, create a stunning video flying in the skies or something like that. So let your imagination go. And that's pretty much it. You can also use these different templates, transitions, sound effects as well. You can add a character. So that's pretty awesome. And after that, you just press on create like this. And of course, make sure that you use points. As you can see, you have certain amounts of points that you can use daily. They're being topped up daily. I would say that in general, if you really want to use this service, it's better to purchase a premium. But after your video is generated, you'll get your video, and of course you'll be able to download it to your computer and share it with your friends. So as you can see, this is my video that I've just now generated. Yeah, quite a low quality, but yeah, in general, pretty cool. I suppose that's some kind of ship flying. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, that's how you use it. Of course, press on the like button and subscribe, and see you soon.